For years, Google has dominated the development of artificial intelligence technology until OpenAI came along and released ChatGPT, which went viral. But now, Google is back with an AI that seems far better than ChatGPT. But is it true? Here's Google Gemini explained in 2 minutes. So, Gemini is the new AI model Google plans to put into its products. It's not just a simple chatbot. Gemini can comprehend text, code, sound, and even video, produce multimodal answers, and even interpret complex clues.
Based on their design, which of these would go faster?
The car on the right would be faster. It is more aerodynamic.
Google will release it in 3 sizes, from Nano to Ultra, tailored for different devices and needs. This demonstration, shown by Google in early December, blew everybody out of the water. But was it really as good as it seemed? Not really. This wasn't done in real time, and people got upset. To be fair, Google disclosed the embellishments itself, and yes, in real life, Gemini is just as capable, although by far not as fast and smooth.
How about a pig with blue ears?
Another problem is that Gemini Ultra, the top model that outperforms GPT-4, is only going to be released sometime in 2024. Only Gemini Pro is available, and it underperforms in both Google's and independent testing on most categories. So, is Gemini impressive? Yeah, it is, but let's curb that enthusiasm just a bit. Oh, and if you have 2 more minutes to spare, check out our explainer on how modern AI works. See you in the next one.